What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of the rear bumper build for the 3rd gen 4Runner. In part 1 of this build series, I started removing the original bumper like I normally would, but encountered what I thought was a little bit of rust that then presented to be a much bigger problem than expected. After basically having to cut the entire bumper off, I started getting everything measured out and then the template working, and this is what we ended up with. I've already went through and taken the template apart, marked all of the pieces from the template onto steel, got them all cut out, bent the pieces that needed to be bent. Now I'm going to take all of these pieces and put them together. And I've got the frame mounts all cut out and bolted in, so everything is just ready to come together. So at this point, the entire bumper is completely tacked up. I'm gonna start fully welding everything together. I'm gonna start with the frame mounts, get it mounted on, make sure everything still checks out, and then go through and weld all of it together. So the entire bumper looks like it fits really well. This side matches up with the other side. We have a pretty even gap going all the way around here, and a pretty nice gap here too, so the hatch can open up. And then one more small thing I need to do is add a mount back here. That way I can get the bumper bolted to the actual body using these holes right here. But now I'm gonna remove this bumper and get everything welded up. Just about done with welding the inside of the bumper. Got these few last parts right here. This long stretch in the center, these parts here, and of course the other side of the bumper. That is going to be the end of the rear bumper build for the 3rd Gen 4Runner. This bumper is still getting a tire carrier attached to it, but if you want to see how I've made tire carrier bumpers in the past, I'll leave a link in the description so you can watch a video that I made before. Right now I'm off to go get some more metal because the 3rd Gen 4Runner is also getting a front bumper made. Thank you guys so much for watching these videos. I'll see you next time.